So I'm on vacation and I've developed a little bit of a sinus infection. I think it's because of a little bit of a dust in the house we're staying in. And then, I don't know, it just kind of developed into a sinus thing. I had a sinus headache, postnasal drip, you know, sneezing, runny nose. And these are the things that I took, and I am so far recovering within a couple days. Okay, so to kill like whatever bacteria might have been in there, I used olive leaf, and this is called Advanced Biocidin. I think you can actually get those things on Amazon. You can get this one in Whole Foods, not this one. This is an essential oil by doTERRA, and it's On Guard. It's a combination, I don't even know what it is off the top of my head. That's something you can look up, but it's like 5 different essential oils to help support the immune system. This is called Rhine Allergy by Boron, and this has some things in it to fight just to fight like the sneezing and runny nose and stuff. Sinus Calm, this one really helped whenever I felt like I had a sinus headache. You know, some of these things are a little bit hit or miss, like Sinus Calm can be a little hit or miss. This time around, this has been a major hit. I've had to take it, I think, 3 times now. And then Histaminum focuses on the histamine reaction you're having when you're sick or when you have like allergens in your midst that are affecting you. And I got this on Amazon. I don't remember. I know they have this at Amazon. I think I got this on Amazon. They also have these at Whole Foods, that brand. They do not have this at Whole Foods. You'd have to order that through a doTERRA rep, or you can also get those on Amazon. That's a bit of a risk though. So these are some things that have really helped me, and I am doing much better tonight. And it never really went full blown for me either. I caught it pretty early. Hope that helps. So join me as I do this sinus flush. Oh, it's so fun. First you boil the water and then you need to cool it until it is warm. While we're waiting for that to cool, I'm going to tell you about some other things I've been using. This is oscillococcinum that can be found at the grocery store. It's a homeopathic remedy for flus and colds and things like that, even sinus infections. I've got my green juice, my breathe stick. This is an essential oil blend by doTERRA. Things to do while you're waiting for your water to cool. Drink a Zevia. Play with your bearded dragon. Hey Rex. It's getting some sun. Watch your Roomba clean your house. Okay, here's some other things that I've been taking. Vitamin C, zinc picolinate, oil of oregano, olive leaf extract, On Guard essential oil blend, and the water is perfect, ready to do the dirty deed, the rinse. So I'm adding 1 packet of the salt that came with the kit. You can find this product at Walgreens, CVS, those kind of places. I'm adding the 8 ounces of warm water. It really was the perfect temperature. You don't want it to be too hot when it's going up into your sinuses. Trigger warning, the flush is about to begin. It's not pretty. Okay, so I'm squeezing the bottle up into my left nostril and it's coming out my right. It's a weird sensation the first time you do it. And now I'm doing the right nostril. Ideally, you want to feel it go back into your sinuses. I didn't feel that too much this time, but I really felt immediate relief. I felt so cleared out. I blew my nose right after that. I have half of it left, and I've just set it aside for later tonight. I'm going to do it again tonight. So here's the final lineup. The sinus rinse, breathe oil, vitamin C, olive leaf extract, oil of oregano, On Guard oil. So I've actually never done this. A friend of mine told me to do this today. She said, boil some water in a mug. It's still actually bubbling right now, so we're nice and hot. That's good. and then add some essential oils. So the options that we have here are peppermint. I think I'll add some peppermint. I'm gonna put 2 drops maybe. 1, 2. Oh, that was 3. And that's strong. Eucalyptus. I'm gonna add eucalyptus. Let's do 2 drops of that. I don't know if I'm gonna have to heat this up again. Okay, 2 drops of that. Another, wow. I think I'm done. That totally, ooh, these are so strong. Another option is to do On Guard or Breathe. Now I have the Breathe stick. This is an essential oil blend. I don't have like the drops to put in here, but that's okay because peppermint and eucalyptus I think are in both of those blends. So I'm just gonna do those. So I think that I just put my nose over it and breathe it. Breathe up the steam. Let's see. Oh, I don't know. These glasses, that's not gonna work. Oh, it is so strong. I have to close my eyes or it like burns my eyes. Maybe I think I put too much in here. If you've used essential oils before, wow, you know how strong it is. And maybe the steam like really makes it stronger. It really smells good. I thought I grabbed this. See, I can't even open my eyes right now. I grabbed this because I thought I'd have to like put this over my head to capture the steam. No, I don't. This is so strong. Like the steam is going up my nose. That's good. I think I did too many essential oils. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and say, I think you should do 1 drop of each. If you're doing maybe a blend, do 1 or 2 drops. Because I did a total of 5 drops, I think. I did 2 drops of the eucalyptus and then 3 drops by accident of the peppermint. It's too much. Like my nose, it feels like I have essential oils coated in my nose. But I'm gonna sit here and just kind of sniff this for a little while.
Hit me with your best shot. Why don't you hit me with your best shot?